Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of DODO, a revolutionary decentralized exchange and liquidity protocol that offers users a seamless trading experience and a variety of earning opportunities. DODO stands out in the decentralized finance ecosystem with its unique proactive market maker (PMM) algorithm designed to enhance liquidity and reduce slippage. In this video, I'll guide you through the features and functionalities of the platform and show you how to get started. To begin, navigate to the DODO website, where you'll find a sleek and user-friendly interface. The homepage highlights key features, including trading options, liquidity pools, and staking opportunities. DODO supports multiple blockchains, allowing for broad compatibility and lower transaction costs. If you're looking to trade, the Trade section provides a simple yet powerful platform to swap tokens with minimal fees. You will notice the price comparison feature that ensures you get the best rates, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned traders. Next, explore the Liquidity section, where users can provide liquidity to various pools. By depositing your assets, you earn a share of the transaction fees generated within that pool. DODO's PMM algorithm ensures optimal capital efficiency, maximizing your potential returns. If staking is your focus, the mining section allows you to stake your tokens and earn additional rewards through yield farming programs. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For those interested in governance, DODO tokens provide voting power and allow you to participate in shaping the platform's future. Don't forget to check out the referral program, where inviting friends can earn you additional rewards. The platform also features robust security measures, ensuring that your assets are always safe. To get started, sign up using my exclusive link in the description to receive a special bonus as a new user. Begin your journey into decentralized finance today with DODO, where trading, earning, and staking are simplified and rewarding. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more crypto tutorials and insights.